Heart disease is a leading cause of death. What you eat plays a big role in heart health. Breakfast is the most important meal. A healthy breakfast sets the tone for the day. It gives your body the right fuel. Many breakfast foods are unhealthy. Sugary cereals, pastries, and processed meats harm your heart. They raise bad cholesterol and can lead to clogged arteries. A heart-healthy breakfast should be rich in fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. These nutrients work together to clean your arteries. This helps prevent heart attacks and strokes. A healthy breakfast improves blood flow and lowers blood pressure. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for overall health. Oats are a breakfast superstar. They're packed with soluble fiber, especially a type called beta-glucan. Beta-glucan acts like a sponge in your digestive system. It soaks up cholesterol, preventing it from entering your bloodstream. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. When there's too much cholesterol in your blood, it can build up in your arteries, forming plaque. This plaque narrows your arteries, restricting blood flow and increasing the risk of heart attack and stroke. Oats help lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. By reducing LDL cholesterol, oats help prevent the formation of arterial plaque. This keeps your arteries clear and improves blood flow, lowering your risk of heart problems. Berries are packed with antioxidants, which protect your heart in many ways. Antioxidants fight free radicals, harmful molecules that damage cells and contribute to heart disease. Berries are particularly rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that gives them their vibrant colors. Anthocyanins have been shown to lower blood pressure, improve blood vessel function, and reduce inflammation. Inflammation plays a key role in the development of heart disease. Berries help reduce inflammation, protecting your arteries from damage. This helps keep your heart healthy and reduces the risk of heart problems. Section 4. Nuts and seeds. Powerhouses of healthy fats. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for heart health. They help lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and prevent irregular heartbeats. Omega-3s also have anti-inflammatory properties, protecting your arteries from damage. Including a handful of nuts or seeds in your breakfast can provide a significant amount of omega-3s and other heart-healthy nutrients. Choose a variety of nuts and seeds to reap the benefits of different nutrients. You can add them to your oatmeal, yogurt or smoothie, or enjoy them as a snack. Section 5. Green smoothies. A nutrient-packed start. Green smoothies are a fantastic way to pack a lot of nutrients into your breakfast. They're made with leafy green vegetables, fruits, and other healthy ingredients. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in nitrates, which improve blood vessel function and lower blood pressure. They also provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support heart health. Adding fruits to your green smoothie enhances the flavor and provides antioxidants and additional nutrients. Consider adding berries, bananas, or mangoes for a delicious and nutritious boost. Section 6. Breakfast and your heart's future. Your heart works hard every day. Give it the fuel it needs to stay healthy. Starting your day with a heart-healthy breakfast is a simple yet powerful way to protect your heart and reduce your risk of heart disease. Oats, berries, nuts, seeds, and green smoothies are all excellent choices for a heart-healthy breakfast. They provide the nutrients your heart needs to function optimally and stay healthy. Make these foods a regular part of your breakfast routine. You can enjoy them in countless combinations to keep your taste buds happy. Remember, a healthy breakfast is an investment in your long-term health and well-being.